Alright guys, we're going to do this for Mike. I'll copy the list. It is for a Connor Mcdavid Black Diamond. Must be just rookie relics, I guess, out of 149. We'll go live now. Time is 7:56 p.m. 7:56 Atlantic. Paste our list. Sean to Sean. You do it 3 times. First time. Second time, do a first timestamp. First timestamp done at 7:56. 7:56. Third and final time. Name on top. Jason Green wins it. Congrats, Jay. Copy our last timestamp. And that's her. The time is 7:56 still. 7:56. Winner is Jason Green. Congrats, man. Good luck in the next one, guys. Thanks.